What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we will be unboxing the Realme Smart Scale. So we ordered this from the official Realme website. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. So let's quickly go ahead and cut through the package and see what all we have inside. So once we rip off the package, we have the Smart Scale box along with the bill. So this is the bill and it says 1623 rupees because we ordered some additional batteries with it. So these are some AA and AAA batteries. You get 10 batteries in total with one pack. So let's keep it aside for the time being, and on the back we have some specifications for the Smart Scale. So you can definitely connect this with the Bluetooth app called as the Realme Link app, which I can show you later in the video. So let's quickly cut through the plastic and get access to the box and the contents inside. So as soon as you rip off the plastic and open up the box, the first thing which we see is the user manual or the user document. So make sure you go through the user manual on how to use this. Once we get rid of it, we have the Smart Scale. It's in blue color in this plastic. So let's remove this out of the box, and you can see it's really nice looking, and it has a Realme branding on the front. On the back it has some button kind of option on the bottom, and you have the battery door. Yes, this is not rechargeable, instead you have to put batteries inside. So let's keep it and see what other things we have inside. Unfortunately, this is the only product that we get inside the box. So let's quickly remove the plastic or the sellotape which is protecting the battery door. So once you remove it, you get access to the battery door, and you already have 4 batteries installed. As you can see, there are some 4 batteries installed, and make sure you remove the small plastic like this so that you can activate the Smart Scale. So once you're done with that, again we will close the battery door and it will automatically activate the Smart Scale. So make sure you use this on a flat surface, and this is the app called as the Realme Link that you need to download if you want to connect this to the Smart Scale. So that's all for this short quick unboxing. I hope you like the video. To rate this video up, comment down in the comment section and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.